Hi there, it's Simon here. Hope you are good. We are going to have a look at Bob Marley's No Woman No Cry today, and we're going to kind of arrange it and learn how to really have some fun with this awesome song. It's got some pretty straightforward chords. I'll see you in a second. Alright, so let's kick it off by learning the chords. We're basically going to hit the C, and then we're going to go. So we have C major, 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and, okay? 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So let's do those first two bars again. C major, 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1. Okay, so those first two bars, 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a. The second two bars of that round are 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and. So that second line, C and 2 and a. Then we're going to go F, A minor 7, D over C, under C, and then C. So F, E, D, C, and then our last little section we're going to play G, A, B, G. So in terms of the numbers we're going to go F, 3, 2, open, 3, and then on the low string we're going to go 3, open, 2, 3. So you can get this kind of quite cool chordy, rhythmy but melody thing all at the same time. So you get 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and. Now, as you can probably guess, you can make this as complicated as you like. The chords, you know, C, A minor, F, C, like, you know, it's pretty straightforward, right? So you could play C, A minor here, here's F, C. See? Okay, so let's talk about what I'm doing there. So I've got a C major. Actually, maybe I started there. So C, and then B, C, B, A minor. Exactly like we just did in the open chords. We're in the key of C major. Play some of those notes, or A minor. You make it sound A minor-y over the A minor section. F. What I did there was a little sort of Hendrixy run where he plays the F major scale underneath the chord to make it. See what I mean? So how I did that, just quickly, we've got, you know, play the chord at 8, so 8th fret, 10, 10, 10. I often use my little finger when I'm making these A sharp bar chords, just so that you can use your third finger. Obviously it's important also still to be able to play them regularly for sort of sus4 and 7 chords, but that really gives you the opportunity of using that like that. So I'm going 10 to 12, hammer on from 10 to 12 on the D string. Okay, so for example, in that first bar we've got C, and then back into C. And then we can do that run. We can play D, F, and then E bass, and then, that's pretty funky. And then, so basically a 10 and 10, a D and a C, and then the C. Nice. You could also play, you know, a kind of thing. So we've got a C, that riff there, first finger. I'm going to go first finger, we're going to hammer on to the 10 underneath. I think I might have played that in the intro. So, this is really pretty, right? Because you're getting that kind of run down the scale effects that we're getting in the all those sections. All right, and then in the regular part of the song, the verse part of the song, we've just basically got C, G, A minor, F. So all those tricks that I was just talking about with the Hendrixy kind of thing, where you're going, they will work over all those major chords. So C major, so I've got 5, 7, G, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F, that's a C-shaped bar chord there, F. So you can see that sometimes the simpler the chords, actually kind of the more fun it can be, because it gives you space to fill up. Not too much, don't fill it up too much, don't be that guy. But you see what I mean? So hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea around riffs that you can play within sort of this sort of reggae, R&B, soul-y zone that will fit really nicely underneath each chord when you're giving it its own time. So like C, A minor, F, C, C. Okay, thanks very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please do subscribe and click that bell for notifications of when new lessons arrive. And they arrive on Saturdays and Tuesdays. And in the meantime, please go and check out my Patreon page, www.patreon.com/Simon Morell. There you will get exclusive videos. If you sign up, you can see a whole bunch of stuff. You can support the channel from only $3 a month, which really, really does help me to make more of these videos and just continue making them, trying to make them better all the time for you. So thanks for watching. I will see you next time. All the best. Bye for now.